One of the things that makes Auction Simplified really special is our condition report. We have rewritten condition report rules completely, eliminating the need for mechanics or collision people to make the decisions, instead allowing a regular person to build a condition report from scratch, which means you don't have to take the car back to the shop or to the collision shop to have it diagnosed. You can use a regular employee, your auction manager if you will, and have them build a condition report from scratch right from the smartphone app. You're going to love this condition report because it really makes sense, simplifies the process, and makes it easy for buyers to understand what's going on with the vehicle they're purchasing. It's another reason you're going to love Auction Simplified.